this video, I'm going to create a custom GPT to optimize your blog post for SEO and improve your search engine rankings. We're going to optimize ChatGPT's new function and create an AI bot which will utilize your custom set of instructions as well as Google's official 2024 SEO guidelines. Follow this video with me. If you derive some value from it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
So in order to create the bot, we first navigate to chat.openai.com. You should see this pretty familiar interface of ChatGPT. And before we continue, I need to tell you that in order to be able to follow my actions in this tutorial, you need to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. So you need to be a paying customer of ChatGPT in order to be able to follow me. So it costs around $20 per month. You can watch the video, and if you decide that this is something valuable enough to justify the money, you can just then go ahead and pay for the subscription. Or if you have the subscription now, you can just go ahead and follow me. Either way, I'm going to show you how to create a custom bot. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on Explore GPTs. Over here, you can see some of the most popular custom created chatbots by other people. So you can see like an instant website or UX design mentor. So these are different bots designed for different purposes. So like the instant website one, it helps you create an instant design for your website. So you just tell the idea for a website, and then it just goes ahead and utilizes API connections to other services to come up with the website design for you. So there are a bunch of different things here you can use. Like there are some by ChatGPT, like DALL-E or Data Analyst, with which I'm sure many of the viewers are familiar already. But what we need is a bit different, because we want to train AI on our own instructions and our own data so that it behaves the way that we want it to behave, not in a plug and play sort of way. So we click on My GPTs, create a GPT, and on your screen you can see two fields, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. We are going to leave right hand side for now, because right hand side is going to be our interface with the bot. So it's where we communicate with it, tell it what to do, and pretty much your chatbot interface on the right. On the left, however, is how you actually configure your bot. So there are two ways in which you can configure it. You can either communicate with ChatGPT as you normally would, and it's going to ask you a series of questions like, what would you like to make? You can tell it, I want to create an SEO assistant to help me optimize my blog posts. And then the ChatGPT is going to make some assumptions based on what you've just told it. And based on those assumptions, it's going to go ahead and populate these fields for you. So you can either populate it yourself, or you can rely on ChatGPT to do it. Right, so if you click on Configure Now, you can see that the description field, instructions, conversation starters have all been filled. So this is ChatGPT's way of helping you do it. I don't like doing it, because why rely on assumptions when you can actually go ahead and type it in yourself? Because if you do it yourself, you know that it's accurate, and you know that the instructions are what you really want it to do, right? So you can go ahead and delete everything here. Let's leave conversation starters for now. We're going to go ahead and give it a name. So the name is going to be SEO Assistant. And now we need to come up with a description. So you can say, you are an SEO expert with 10 years of industry experience. You focus on optimizing blog posts for SEO. So you need to know the description part doesn't affect the behavior of the bot. This is just a description. This is not going to affect the output that you will get from the bot. So this is just so you have an idea of what this bot is supposed to do, right? Now, if you look at instructions, instructions is pretty important because in this part, you tell the bot, okay, I'm instructing you to do this, to avoid doing certain things, and you are pretty much training the bot on your own instructions. And this is where the magic happens when you create the AI bots, because now you can actually put the framework around the work of the bot, and in this way, it will be more accurate and more in line with what your task is and what your goal is with the bot, right? So I have actually come up with a detailed set of instructions for this bot. I'm just going to copy and paste it. You can go ahead and give it a read. So this just tells the bot, okay, I'm going to upload a file in the knowledge base, and you need to stick to this file. If you can't find required information within that file, I want you to use established sources as opposed to random sources on the web, like Reddit threads or something of that sort. This is important because we want our blog posts to be optimized and we want them to be based on actually established opinions, not on some, random social media posts. And so we tell the bot explicitly that we want it to be this way. And in the end, I just add some technical stuff like the title of the post should include a number, a power word, a positive or negative sentiment word, etc. So I just copied and pasted it here. And so the bot now knows what I expect it to do. If you scroll down, you see the conversation starters field. Conversation starters, again, they don't affect the performance of the bot. This is just pre-packaged set of instructions that you will see on your screen when you start to chat with the bot. So when using standard ChatGPT, chances are you saw these rectangles which pop up when you start a chat. Those are just designed to tell you, to guide you, and explain to you what you can achieve by using this bot. So I am okay with these. You can just tailor these to your own needs. You can remove some of them. You can add some new prompts. So if we scroll down, you see this knowledge field. Knowledge field is the most important of them all because this is where we are going to upload our files with Google's official SEO guidelines. So this is, again, I will repeat, this is the most important part of this video because we can tell the bot to stick to Google's official guidelines as opposed to random sources on the web. And as a result, we will get articles which are in line with what Google is looking for when crawling those websites, and also to avoid some of the mistakes which can result in your web pages not being indexed and other problems. So in order to achieve that, we need to go ahead and search for developers.google.com. You can just copy this link on your browser. You will see this page on your screen. Up on the left-hand side, you see this SEO fundamentals section. There are 7 pages here, and what I want you to do is pretty much go ahead and copy the text in these pages. So when you copy this text, you pretty much go ahead and pretty basic, you just go ahead and copy and paste it, right? You copied and pasted it. Now, I don't want to do it because this is the document that I've already created. I've copied and pasted all 7 pages here in this new Word document. I implore you to do the same. It's pretty basic, like Control C, Control V. You'll have this file. And then I want you to also search for this post from HubSpot. So this is called the Ultimate Guide to SEO in 2024. Again, this is a reputable source, so I trust that the information contained is reliable and legit. So I just went ahead and also copied this article. So you can pretty much go all the way down. So this is already HubSpot's post. So you will have this file, this Word file, and you just go ahead and save this file on your laptop. You go back to ChatGPT, you click on code interpreter, because if you don't, then the bot will be unable to read through your files, which you upload under knowledge field. So go ahead and click this field, and then go ahead and click on upload files. You choose the file that you want to upload. Wait a little bit while it's uploading. Okay, this is ready. We have the file in the system, we have everything we need, and our bot is ready. Before we continue using our bot, we have to click on create. So here you can share your GPT. So you can either use it for yourself, anyone with the link, or you can publish it to GPT's public store. I want to use it only for myself. I don't want to share it with anyone. So I will just click on share. Let's wait a bit. Okay, ready. Click on the view GPT. Internal server error. Okay, it's weird. So you have your bot. So either you can work with the bot in this interface, but I actually don't like doing it this way. I want to go to my GPTs again and click on edit GPT, because if you do it this way, you can actually edit your bot as you go. So you can make a query, you can look at the output, and if you want to make an adjustment to the configuration of the bot, you can make it straight away. So that's why I prefer working in this particular interface. So our GPT is now ready. We can go ahead and give it a try. Let's say, write me a blog post on the rise and fall of BlackBerry. Sorry, I messed it up. BlackBerry. So it will go ahead and stick to your instructions and also the files on the knowledge base to create a blog post. And you'll see that the blog post is being written in real time. Again, I implore you to use this particular way of doing it, because up on the left hand side you can improve your bot in real time. As you see the output, you can actually spot some mistakes or some things that you want to change. You can just do it in real time and incrementally improve your bot over time. You just go ahead and make some edits to your instructions, or you change the files in the knowledge base, and that way you can actually come up with something quite helpful over a long enough period of time.